Hi and welcome to this tutorial. I'll teach you how you can enable chat heads on Messenger and also how you can enable a specific chat head manually in case that doesn't work. So first off, I'm going to press on my profile icon in the top left corner next to chats. And from here, if we scroll down, you will see this option chat heads. You just want to toggle it. Turn on chat heads. If you want to enable this, you should go to settings and just select this option, allow display over other apps, like that. Then you go back and now chat heads are turned on. In order to do this for a specific chat, here is the process. I'm going to go back. You want to click and hold on this, and then you have the option to open a chat head, the fourth option, going from the bottom up. Just like that, and it pops up as a chat head. Alright, I hope you found this video useful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye.